the diameter, the diameter as well as the width test, which is doing right here. Then you know that so you know that the coin is definitely on the right density for gold. Now, one could also argue that tungsten has a very similar property and it could pass for the density test. Yes, that's definitely true. But one more thing that you have to account for is it gonna pass the ping test? Now, there is an app that on Android that one can use to look at the ping test. Now, I have a Kangaroo right here, and I also brought in another Kangaroo, which is silver right here. Now, if you ping this right here, let's see if I can get it closer. I don't know if you can hear this, but the sound for the ping is different when silver strikes gold versus gold strikes silver. So there's an app on Android that takes advantage of this. If you look in here, if you look into here, there's a ping test for Australian Kangaroo. And what I will do is I will ping this right here. So you have the gold right here, and that's the silver. And you just simply do a ping test on this. You see that? So all the frequencies comes out correct. And I believe that I saw this on someone's, one of the channels has this, and I want to give the credit to Salvage Metal, but I'm not exactly sure if that is the proper channel. But if you look on the other way around, so still, if you do the ping test again on here and you flip it the other way around, you can still see this is it's testing for 1 ounce Australian Kangaroo. If you ping it the other way, if you ping it, oh, it does show the same. Hang on. Let's try that. Let's try the other way. So let's try that again. If you ping silver into gold, you have this. If you try to ping it the other way, well, I guess it shows up the same. Now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get another silver in here and see if I get the same result, because I don't think this may be due to that either one of this is gold and it comes out with the same ping test. I'm gonna get another silver in here and see if I'll ping it this way. And let's see if the ping test comes up differently. Now, I have so let's do it this way. I have a Philharmonic here. These are my hand pieces, by the way. And what is this? This is Britannia. So let's do that again. So now that you're looking, I'm still looking at the Kangaroo. Now I'm gonna ping this. Let's see. Okay, so you can obviously tell that when you have two elements, that's same as silver, both are silver, then the pain test will come back differently. Here we go. Silver, ping and silver. They're different. But when you're pinging gold, you have a different, it's gonna hit all the correct frequencies. So that's another way I can ensure that the gold is authentic. But now moving on to the third test. And the third one is the precious metal verifier. So this, I believe also, it shows how the electrons are deflected on the metal. And if I turn this on, and I start, so this is 999 plus, and this is, I believe this is 999 plus too. Yeah, these are 4 nines gold. So I just put them on here, and it's right in the middle. That tells me it's authentic. Another way, I put it on here, and it's right in the middle between 2 brackets. That tells me that this is authentic. Now, if I use silver on here, it's gonna go way off. But if I adjust this to silver, which, if I do it differently, maybe this way. Okay. Let's see, how do I get to silver here? Here we go. If I get to silver here, then I push start, put some sample on here, then it's authentic for silver. But it would not be the same if I put gold on here. All right, so yes, so knowing these, then I can ensure that this piece of gold is definitely authentic. And I do this for all of my purchases, at least the one I can verify with government coin. So let's take a look at this again. 2019 Kangaroo, and it is pretty. It's very attractive, and I do like it. Not as much 2015, but I do like it. So, and then given that I verified this with a metal verifier, I think it's called Signa Analytic. Precious metal verifier, Signa Analytic, along with the ping test and the density test, I can reassure and I can go to sleep at nighttime that knowing that the gold is authentic. Okay, until next time, thank you very much for watching my video, and warm regards.